This is the elevator here at the main cafeteria here at Lawndale High School, Lawndale, California. Like, this is a ERM button, but anyways, go ahead and call it. Here it come down. Here it is. Going up. Let's go to 2. Alright, 2, which opens up over here. Go down to 1, ring the bell. Oh. You're at 1. And hear that motor one more time. Alright. Here we go. Try to get the button and the light at the same time. Okay. 1. Get a cab. I don't know what happened over here. Along the walls. And there's the rear door. Here's your ERM fixtures. And this elevator weighs 4,000 pounds. I'm pretty sure this elevator was also installed in 2016 or 2017. Now there's your GAO interlock. Right. There it goes, and that's it.